Let's solve this interesting math problem. We need to find all pairs of numbers x and y such that their greatest common divisor is 12. And their sum is 144. We're looking for pairs of numbers x and y where their greatest common divisor is 12. And they add up to 144. Since the greatest common divisor of x and y is 12, we can express both numbers as multiples of 12. Let x equal 12 times n, and y equal 12 times m, where n and m are coprime, meaning they have no common factors other than 1. Now let's substitute these expressions into our sum equation. X plus y equals 144 becomes 12n plus 12 meters equals 144. We can factor out the 12, giving us 12 times the quantity n plus m equals 144. Dividing both sides by 12, we get n plus m equals 12. Now we need to find all pairs of numbers n and m that add up to 12 and are coprime, meaning they share no common factors other than 1. We'll also consider n less than or equal to m to avoid duplicate pairs. Let's create a table to check all possible values of n from 1 to 6. Since n must be less than or equal to m, for each n, we calculate m as 12 minus n. Then find their greatest common divisor. If the GCD is 1, the pair is valid. Now we convert our valid pairs back to x and y by multiplying both n and m by 12. Our valid pairs are 12 and 132, 60 and 84. And since order doesn't matter for the GCD, we also have 84 and 60, and 132 and 12. So the complete set of solutions is 12 and 132, 60 and 84, 84 and 60, and 132 and 12. These are all the pairs where the greatest common divisor is 12, and the sum is 144. And that's how we solve this GCD and sum problem. We found all pairs of numbers that meet both conditions.